Here's a job for today. So you can see some green baskets over there, which are on our manual forklift. They've lifted them up, and we're going to fill those up with tiles. So I'm going to climb up that ladder there, which I know is precariously balanced on the edge of the stairwell, but live a little. And here we have the beam, which is for the ceiling. And up in the ceiling void, you can see these stacks of tiles. So I'm going to go up in the ceiling void in the loft, pass the tiles down to Joe, down a cavity that you can see over there that I'll be climbing up. She'll stack them into the green trays, put them onto the manual forklift, forky down the road, and then we'll carry them up to the pig pen and stack them neatly out there. So there's probably 150, 200 tiles up there. It may be the case we can't use them, can't sell them, but then we can use them as rubble, hardcore. But we've just got to get them out of the loft because they are resting on these floorboards, which that's the loft above there. So they're resting on the floorboards, which I've got to take out. I have to take out the floorboards so that I can then get rid of the joists and then raise the joists and raise the ceiling. So that's the job. Off we go. you.